Hey, it's Sammy on June 26th. We took 5 total trades today for 3,136 pips. We start off with a break-even trade, so let's take a look and see how this is all playing out. This is our first trade. We have a couple of time frames with some momentum. We have pretty decent sentiment, no volatility breaks yet. We are trading pre-market, so we really make a point to protect these trades because we don't necessarily have the volume in the market to pull these trades all the way through to their take profit. You can see we're just trying to target yesterday's low. And let's protect this trade by moving our stop loss to break even plus 25 each position. So we really start moving down here. We've got about 350 pips, and all of a sudden the trade stops dead in its tracks and goes back up for more air. So we end up with plus 50 pips on this trade, but it is not a loser. We are ready for the next trade that's going to short. So this trade is just a few minutes later. The market went all the way up to a bear support on the minute chart and rolled back over quickly. We're going to go down and hit this daily low here now. Of course, we're going to move that stop loss to break even plus 25 pips once again as we head down towards this daily low Fibonacci level. Now we are just a few minutes from the actual market open, so we're going to go ahead and lock in 608 pips at this previous day's low. Here's the open, and as you can see, it was really smart of us to lock in before the open came because it came right back up. So this is the open. You can see up at the top we have all the momentum across multiple time frames. We have sentiment across 4 out of 5 time frames, and we're heading back to have all 5 time frames of momentum and sentiment. We also already have a volatility break on the 30-minute chart pulling this short. We are going to target that weekly pivot down below. Of course, because it's the open, we are going to smash that stop loss to break even plus 25, and you can see we quickly hit 1,230 pips. Now the market is reversing off the low of day. We have complete decay in the data that was going short, and we are now starting to trigger data to go long. So we are going to go up and test this shadow box on the minute chart right up here at that previous high. We already have that stop loss moved up to break even plus 25 because we are working with short time frame data and it's a little bit weaker. So we want to protect that equity. We want to protect our sanity. And once we're challenging this shadow box up here the second time, we're going to go ahead and lock in 734 pips. I was super late to this 5th trade, but I could not help myself. We have finally got most time frames with some really strong momentum and sentiment, and we have a couple volatility breaks happening. So we are now testing yesterday's closing price at this 23.6 Fibonacci level. We are also going up and hitting Friday's closing price and last Thursday's closing price. That's these pink lines here. We're going to go ahead and manually close this trade with 514 pips.